We keep traveling, we keep adventuring. Do you see what's ahead of us? And don't worry if you didn't get a glimpse of it yet. I'll be sure to get you a close-up real soon. So make sure you're subscribed, because this is just one of the adventures we are doing. And there's many other adventures we've done over the last month. So certainly, make sure and go back and watch those few videos that I've done. None of this is paid for by anybody else. I'm not a big-time YouTuber, so ain't none of you paying my bills. I do this because I want to show the amazing beauty that some of y'all may not be able to get out to. Do you see that up there ahead? That's Devil's Tower. Let's go check it out. The temperatures have cooled down as well here, and that storm is moving in a bit. It feels wonderful here in Wyoming. There it is. But we're gonna get even closer. Folks, we have arrived here at Devil's Tower. We're gonna take a quick detour here to the trading post here in town and then head on up there. All right, y'all, we have arrived. It is a national park, so you do have to pay. Here's the Belfourche River, if I said that right. Maybe we'll see more wildlife. You never know, right? This is definitely a beautiful park. I eventually would love to see all the national parks in the United States, but that's going to take some years. I don't expect to do that overnight. They have a little picnic area here, but they also have a campground. So let's check and see what the registration process would be, because this looks like a really nice place. Maybe to stay for the night with nice views. All right, so it looks like we are probably gonna find a spot here, and I'll share that with you here in a moment. So I did find a cute little spot here that I would love to stay at. However, in checking the temperature here at Devil's Tower, maybe that's why they call it, because it's hotter than hell here. It is 95 degrees here. So we're going to travel on. We're going to have a nice little look at this one more time. And we're going to travel on through this national park and find one of their many other campgrounds. But I thought I'd give you a view here of the Belfourche campground. Beautiful campground, $20 a night if you have the senior pass, or an annual pass, it would be $10 a night. All right, so let's have one more look at that awesome monument up there. And let's head to our next destination. Will we find a place tonight to sleep? Will we sleep at a truck stop, a Walmart? I don't know. I honestly don't care. There's the park. Because when you see things like this, who cares where you're sleeping? I got my home with me. Y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time on the traveling patio. All right, I found me a lovely campsite here in Wyoming. This is a spot that is 14-day. It's not like other parts of the country I visited where it's all trashed out. These are really, really nice. It's the van. These curtains are working nicely. Now, of course, I'm not going to get any solar right now. The sun has gone down for the evening.